how, when, why, to demand quality functional deployment.
What is QFD?
QFD is a quality functional deployment flexible tool that uses a system to implement customer requirements and directly related engineering requirements by prioritizing company activities, initiatives. Advantages of QFD.
Point 1. Create a customer-friendly environment in the workplace.
Point 2. To document the routine decision-making into the process.
Point 3. It ensure a methodical flow from the customer.
Point 4. It helps to establish priorities and planning effectively. Advantages of QFD.
Point 5. Promotes teamwork and increases organizational ownership. Point 6. Promotes risk threat and opportunity associated with alternative win strategies and technical approaches.
Point 7. Reduces overall cycle time and downstream changes.
The basic QFD House of Quality Matrix, what and how concept.
The house is about critical parameters, design features, etc.
The what is the requirements, care-abouts.
Completing the QFD matrix.
Point 1. Relationship strength between each what and how it is scored.
Point 2. Hows with highest total weighted scores are used to precede design decision.
How requirements flow down.
One method of determining the maximum utilizing of points in a product or service that ensures your design addresses the features that confirms customer satisfaction is the waterfall relationship, as shown below in the next slide.
This flow-down chart explains from basic design to the product characteristic matrix, then to design feature matrix. Then the system requirement matrix to system matrix to requirement features, to customer needs.
When to use fishbone diagram.
Point 1. Fishbone diagrams, also called Ishikawa diagrams, herringbone diagrams, cause and effect diagrams, or Fishikawa, are causal diagrams created by Kaoru Ishikawa, 1968, that show the causes of a specific event.
Point 2. Common uses of the fishbone diagram include product design, quality, defect prevention, and identifying potential factors causing an overall effect. Each cause for imperfection is a source of variation. When to use fishbone diagram. Point 3. Causes are usually grouped into major categories to identify these sources of variation, are people, machine, measurement, method, environment and material. However, they should be set based on the individual process. When to use fishbone diagram.
Point 4. The concept was first used in the 1920s and is considered one of the 7 basic tools of quality control. It is known as a fishbone diagram because of its shape, similar to the side view of a fish skeleton. Point 4. So when should you use a fishbone diagram? Use it to explore all the possible or root causes of a problem, uncover bottlenecks in your processes, and identify where and why a process isn't working.
A simple how-to follows.
1. Prepare a flip chart or an overhead transparency of the following fishbone format sample.
The fishbone diagram shows the process carried out by
Operator, environment, method,
material, Machine.
Output and specification of desired result. A simple how-to follows.
Step 2. List the problem, issue to be studied as the head of the fish, the right side of the diagram.
Label each bone with an identified major cause category. These, or others, may be used or combined. Major cause categories to consider. 4 M's, methods, machines, materials and manpower. 4 P's, place, procedure, people and policies. 4 S's, surroundings, suppliers, systems and skills. A simple how-to follows. Step 5. Brainstorm potential causes of the problem. As possible causes are provided, decide as a group where to place them on the diagram. It is acceptable to list a possible cause under more than one major cause category.
Consider combining small branches onto larger ones.
Consider splitting up large branches into smaller ones.
Step 6. Review each major cause category. Circle the most likely causes on the diagram.
Step 7. Review the causes that are circled and pursue each line to root cause.
Step 9. Reach an agreement on the most probable causes. An example of a wiring issue is shown below. Please carefully observe the fishbone diagram and see how the fishbone shows the problem in the chart. Now you can follow us on all like
Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn,
Twitter. Catch us on YouTube and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Awaiting your warm wishful presences in all our social media.